Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can make metal music in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at Suno.com, and if you're unfamiliar with Suno, first thing you can do is you can come here where it says describe the song you want to make, and you can put that in, and you can hit create, and it will create whatever you describe. You can hit this dice icon here and you can just test out random things if you want. Hit create, it'll start creating, but you're probably going to want to come over here to the left hand side to the menu. You can find this little arrow here, and if you click on that, menu will open up, and then we're looking for create. This is where you're going to have more control. Up at the top left hand corner, you've got a couple options. Simple is essentially just what we were looking at before. Advanced is where you can really get into it, and here you have lyrics. If you have your own lyrics, you can put that in there. If you want Suno's help generating lyrics, then you can click this wand icon and click write full song, and you can describe the lyrics you want, and Suno will write lyrics for you. Now if we want to create something metal, where we want to do that is in the styles section. So here, if we wanted to create something metal, take that out. We can just put metal. And if we just want to keep it as simple as that, we can. If we want to get a little bit more detailed, we can. Let's try this. I don't know. So we're going to try that out. And then what we're going to do is, let's see here. We're going to select instrumental. I want this to be an instrumental, and we're going to clear out the title there that was from before, so we will let that be. And then when we're done, we're ready to go. We can hit create, and now it is making our song. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cold spark reliquary. That sounds kind of fun. So let's go ahead and we're going to copy this. We're going to throw this into our Discord channel. So if you actually want to listen to the whole thing, you can. We've got some other ones there as well. Head over back and let's see what we got here. Cold Spark Reliquary. Let's go ahead and give it a listen. All right, that's actually super cool. So check that out over on the Discord channel, and we're here. You can follow me on Suno as well if you want to listen to some of the rest of the stuff we've been doing. But that's all there is to it. That's how you can create metal music in Suno and AI. And when you're done, you want to download it. Click on these three little buttons here, and you can come here to download. You could download that in MP3 or WAV. You could even get the stems or a video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code Skillcraft60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply. You can use our referral link and get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.